Hello viewers, here's a Gibson 3-ton natural gas furnace matched with a 3-ton straight cool unit. The pan's rusted out. This thing used to have a 1990 Genetron, but was replaced in '07 because of the furnace had a cracked heat exchanger, and the air conditioner worked just fine, but they replaced it. A good working unit, which they took to the, I don't know what they did with it, but there's some foam sticking out down there. It's not on because it's like 75 degrees outside. We don't need heat, don't need air. See, there's the panel, the blower panel. The evaporator coil's right back there. You don't know if you can see in there, but there's the inducer motor. It's one big pan. The gas line's right here. Return duct. No, it's the pot duct, never mind. That is, I don't know what that is. I think this right here is the return. I kind of think they should have kept the Genetron, because I have one at my house that works just fine. Except mine's a 2.5 ton. Back there you can't see nothing. There's the lines. They're kind of screwed up right there because they come apart. Go down through the ceiling, down to the basement. I mean, not the basement. Go outside. Turned up. And here's a 1980 Whirlpool freezer. You can see it's running right now. It's got plenty of ice built up, frost. Good working order. It's nice and cold. Ow, hurt. You can hear the compressor. Runs good. Mom's truck. There's 2 spots right there. Go down here. TV's on.
We begin with a new approach to stopping the inflow of meth into communities around West Tennessee. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kelly McAllister. Tom has
That's the temperature.
McNairy County Sheriff Guidebook is asking pharmacists to do something radical. Take all products containing pseudoephedrine off their shelves for 100 days. Show lawmakers that if you take away the ingredient from meth, you're able to
belonging to Jan's uncle, that
Here's the Honeywell
it's completely down there.
thermostat.
A great big tree right through the stone. We drove over there and looked at it. But they're non-defunct, part of them are. And there's
Return. Yeah. There's dishwasher and a 1980 General Electric fridge. As you can hear, it's running right now. Old ice maker's broken. Some ice cream. Good little treat. Come out here. There's the Gibson 3-ton unit. Cold and scroll compressor. I do believe it uses R104A or R22 one of those because it's from '07. It was installed March the 15th, which is one day after my birthday, and I stayed over here for my birthday, and I was here watching it get replaced, but I didn't have my video camera or my YouTube account back then. Works good, never had a problem. I mean, it's practically brand new. I mean, if you see how good a shape it's in. It's 3-ton. Oh, this unit is made by Nordheim. They make Nordheim, Grand Air, Nordheim, Grand Air, Gibson. And here's a little radio piece of shit I smashed a few minutes ago. Paintball. And I did make a video of me smashing that. Over here is another. This one is a Nordheim. You able to see it? Cutting the grass over there in houses. Them have the 40-year-old Fraser Johnston air conditioners I've never heard of. Can't see that house back over there. It's got a 30-ton Goodman. It's from '95. And here's a 1918. Or that unit. Wait, my bad. These units are not from. These apartments were built 18 years ago. 19. So that unit's original to the house. So really, that wasn't a 1990 Genetron. It was a 1992 or 91. I don't know. I didn't read the serial or anything on it. I just know it's old. It's dirt. It kept the house good and cold. I'm not allowed to go over there. But over there, you probably won't be able to see this. Over there at a church. But there's it's a Carrier, I do believe. Let's just say it's an unknown brand of unit. It's box units. And there do believe to be another Gibson. Down there I know there's don't know what brand it is down there in the last one. Most of 30.5. GMC. Over here, that house has window units. Oh shit, just stepped on a piece of glass. Yeah, that's it. Get some 3-ton. Made by Nordheim. General Electric. Yeah. News. So, peace.